TikTok, how to cancel repost. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually cancel your repost on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to cancel your repost on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, let's say that you happen to repost a certain video by tapping the arrow icon and tapping the repost option. Now one way to unrepost it quickly, if you're on the same video, you can just tap and remove repost. But however, let's say that you reposted it and then you went through many videos, now you can't find the video. In that case, how you can cancel the repost. Now for that, you can tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, you can tap the infinity loop icon that you can see here, and you should be able to see a list of all the reposts that you have. So now you can just go ahead and select that repost, tap the arrow icon here, tap on remove repost, and that way you can cancel your repost. This way you will be able to actually cancel your repost on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.